Hey y'all, I am Dr. Maddox and I'm so excited to be here talking about sports and sleep today. Sleep is one of the most important things that we do. We spend a third of our lives doing it. And the crazy thing about it is sleep can help every facet of our life, including sports. As you can probably tell, I'm from a southern state, and in fact, I'm from Alabama, and sports are a really big deal here. And so one of the things I learned really early on in my career is if I wanted to get kids and parents and people on board with sleep, I had to tell them how it would improve their lives, and sports was the way to do it. So I started learning more and more about sleep and sports. For example, did you know that just by increasing your sleep time, you can improve your free throws and three pointers by 9%? You can improve your sprint time by zero point 0.7 seconds. You can improve your accuracy on the tennis court. You can improve your mood and your confusion and your sluggishness on any playing field. It really is amazing what sports can do, um, what sleep can do when in sports.